Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. In today's episode, we're going to be doing my take on Scotch eggs. These are fast, easy, and don't take much time at all to do. They are perfect high-protein breakfast item for on-the-go weekday meals, and you'll absolutely love this. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe below. Otherwise, let's jump right in. Welcome back. To get started, we just need a few key ingredients, and this will go together very quickly. What we have here is a couple rolls of breakfast sausage. Use your favorite. I prefer pork sausage in this. I have 8 hard-boiled eggs, and I have about a pound of smoked, chopped up bacon. To put this together is really simple. Each one of these rolls will yield about 4 eggs worth of meat to cover them with. So to do that, all we gotta do is open them up. Like I said, just cut it into 4s. Now what you're gonna do is just lay it out flat. Take your egg, and wrap it in. And once you got it covered, just kind of make sure you seal all the edges. You don't want to see any of that egg coming through. When you get that done, it should look something like this. Next up, just take your bacon and just roll it in. And then once it's in there, just kind of firmly press it in so you don't lose anything. And that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these 8 done, and I'll meet you back at the smoker. Welcome back, friends. We're here at our Grill Silverback today. We're going to be running this at about 225, and we're going to be using apple. Now, I find that any of the fruit woods pair really well with this recipe. This is a pork sausage, and it does taste better, in my opinion, to use a fruit wood, but you can use whatever you have on hand. But that's what we prefer in this house, apple or cherry. So we're going to go ahead and throw them on. Now you're going to want to plan for about 45 minutes to an hour on this. Remember that everything in these Scotch eggs are already cooked besides the sausage, so that's all we're really trying to get the temp at this point. So about 45 minutes to an hour should be about what you're looking for. We will come back in about 30 minutes just to see how it's going, but for now, that's what you need to plan for. So I'll see you back here in a minute. Welcome back, friends. It's been about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and give these things a look. They smell really good. Let's give them a little temp check here. Looks like we're temping at about 135 to 140. Now we got to bring, since this is pork, we need to bring this up to about 160 to make sure it's safe. So I'm going to guess probably about 15 or 20 minutes and we will be done. So we'll check back in then. See you soon. Welcome back, friends. It's been about 15 minutes and we're going to give these things another check. Good. Let's give them a quick temp check here. Yep. Right at 160. All right. Welcome back, friends. So we've got these things pulled and plated, and we're going to give you the final reveal. These things smell amazing. Let's take a look. Look at that. That looks delicious. Now folks, This is a very quick and very easy meal. This is high in protein. We use this during the week for quick, fast meals during our workday, I highly suggest you give this a try if this is something you need. And as always, if you like what you saw here today, please hit that like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time. Take care. That's a horrible shot. You're gonna lay a leg in it.